Here is a close look at the Carapelli Organic Balsamic Vinegar of Modena. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This is the 250 millimeter size, and I'll give you a quick look around the bottle here, which is this nice, very sleek glass. So there's all of our nutrition facts, all that good stuff. And let me just go ahead and show you. I'll pop the top off. If I can do it with one hand, let's see if I can. And there we go. Now let me go ahead and pour it out just so you can see what it looks like. There's some of our balsamic vinegar. I apologize if you can hear bird noises. So here is what it looks like. It's very flavorful. My only complaint is that it's almost a little bit too sweet, but other than that, I think it's a great balsamic vinegar, and I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're looking for something for your salads. It tastes absolutely delicious.